B appear in an interview for two vacancies of same post. The probability of A's selection is 1 divided by 7 and that of B's selection is 1 divided by 5. What is the probability that both of them will be selected? At least one of them will be selected. None of them will be selected. हामीले क्वेशनमा के भनिएको छ भने एउटा पोस्टको लागि दुईवटा भ्याकेन्सी छ र A र B दुवै इन्टरभ्यूको लागि अपियर गरेका छन्. Probability of A's selection is 1 divided by 7 and probability of B's selection is 1 divided by 5. हामीलाई फाइन्ड गर्नुपर्ने छ the probability that both of them will be selected. अब both of them will be selected means that A and B both will be selected. That is we have to find P of A and B. And P of A and B लाई हामी कसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सक्छौं? P of A intersection B. हैन? In the first question we have to find P of A intersection B. Second question हामीले भनिएको छ probability that at least one of them will be selected. At least one भनेपछि either A or B should be selected. हैन? A र B मध्ये कुनै एकजना सिलेक्ट भए पनि हुन्छ. Right? So this probability can be found out using P of A union B. Okay? Third case मा हामीले भन्छ none of them will be selected. Probability that none of them will be selected. भनेको neither A nor B should be selected. So this can be found out by using the relation P of A union B whole complement. Okay? Now we can see that the selection of A and B are independent events. Why? Because एउटा पोस्टमा दुईवटा भ्याकेन्सी छ. A को सिलेक्सनले B को सिलेक्सनलाई इफेक्ट गर्दैन र B को सिलेक्सनले A को सिलेक्सनलाई इफेक्ट गर्दैन. अब तिनीहरू इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट इभेन्ट्स हुन् भने we know that in an independent event P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Right? This can be written as 1 divided by 7 into 1 divided by 5. This will be equal to 1 divided by 35. Therefore, the probability that both of them will be selected is 1 divided by 35. Second question हामीले भन्छ find the probability that at least one of them will be selected. That is, we have to find P of A union B. Now, P of A union B mutually exclusive र mutually non-exclusive event को लागि भिन्न भिन्नै हुन्छ. Right? In mutually exclusive event, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. In mutually non-exclusive event, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. हैन? अब यी दुईवटा इभेन्ट सिलेक्सन अफ A and B म्युचुअली एक्सक्लुसिभ हुन् कि म्युचुअली नन एक्सक्लुसिभ हुन् त्यो हामीले पत्ता लगाउनु पर्यो. ओके? इन दिस केस A र B को सिलेक्सन हुन सक्छ, दुवैको सिलेक्सन पनि हुन सक्छ. राइट? सो बोथ अफ दिस इभेन्ट्स क्यान ह्यापन टुगेदर एज वेल. सो दिस इज म्युचुअली नन एक्सक्लुसिभ इभेन्ट. अर्को हामी कसरी पनि थाहा पाउन सक्छौं that this is a mutually non-exclusive event because in mutually exclusive event P of A intersection B is 0. यो क्वेशनमा हामीले P of A intersection B को भ्यालु निकालेका छौं 1 by 35 which is not equal to 0. Now if P of A intersection B is not equal to 0 then we can say that this type of event is mutually non-exclusive event. So we can write P of A union B as P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This will be equal to 1 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 35. यसलाई हामीले solve गर्यौं भने we'll get the LCM as 35. This will be equal to 5 plus 7 minus 1. The result will be 11 divided by 35. Therefore, the probability that at least one of them will be selected is 11 divided by 35. In the third question, we need to find the probability that none of them will be selected. That is, we need to find P of A union B whole complement. Right? We can find P of A union B whole complement as 1 minus P of A union B. This will be equal to 1 minus 11 divided by 35. This will be equal to 24 divided by 35.